In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related posts to your WordPress website. This simple but effective technique can greatly enhance user engagement by suggesting additional content to your readers. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to navigate to the wordpress.com homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the login option in the top right corner, which is your gateway to customizing your website. Click on it to proceed. For ease of use, WordPress gives you several options to log in, and one of the most convenient methods is using your Google account. So click on Continue with Google. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, you'll see a list of your accounts pop up. Choose the Google account that's associated with your WordPress site. This will log you in smoothly without needing to enter a separate password. Now once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your site. On the right hand panel under the quick links section, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on it to enter the site builder mode. This mode allows you to make changes directly to your website, giving you a visual representation as you make edits. Next, you'll need to add a new block to your site. Look towards the top left corner of the site builder interface where you'll find an Add button, often symbolized by a plus icon. Clicking this button lets you explore a wide variety of blocks available to enhance your site. For our purposes, we want to add a Related Posts block. In the search bar that appears, type in Related Posts. This will filter the available blocks, making it easy for you to find the option you need. Once you've located the Related Posts block, click on it. This will instantly add it to your current page or post. This block automatically retrieves and displays posts relevant to the current content your visitors are reading based on the categories or tags you've assigned to your posts. It's a fantastic way to keep visitors engaged, encourage them to explore more of your site, and ultimately help increase the time they spend browsing your content. And that's it! You've successfully added a related posts block to your WordPress site, enriching the user experience and enhancing content discoverability. Remember, the key to a more engaging website is anticipating your readers' interests and guiding them to discover more of your great content. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other blocks and customization options in WordPress to make your site even more dynamic.